Hello guys, meet us again as with group 4. My name is Laode Firdaus and my partner.
My name is Michael.
And my name is Raihan.
We want to presentation. We are the project of the semester 2. We are entitled of project is administrating IDATENS database. And for the first material will be explained by Michael. Please.
Our project is about the administration of a bike store database called IDATENS. Here we have the overview for IDATENS database diagram consists of sales and production schemas.
Next is user role account. We have 3 user role account. The first role is access admin. The access admin acts as the owner of the highest authority that is able to use all access on the database IDATENS. For the permission role, we use the default role system admin, because access is given in accordance with the licensing role that we want. In the admin, we can see all database and can edit all the database. And next is manager marketing. Manager marketing will act as a manager in the store, which will have access only to insert, alter, and view all data table on IDATENS database in both production and sales schema. For configuration, you can see in the picture in the next slide. In manager can also see all database and edit them, but cannot delete tables or database. And the last role is sales. Sales user act as sales who can only see data in the production schema table. Sales user roles only have access right to view data in the production table schema only in the database IDATENS. In the sales can only see database from IDATENS and can only see the contents of table in the data but cannot edit it. Next.
Okay. Such as a previous slide, the access admin account have a permission role as system admin. And this picture, we can see the access admin account login have permission to open any database in intents. We can see the access admin account open a DB configuration and IDATENS DB database, and the access admin account have a select function from two schemes in IDATENS DB and execute, and we can see a result of that in the below in the message. Okay, next.
Mike.
Here we have the manager marketing role configuration. On the image on the left, we permitted this role to only alter, insert, and select the tables. In the next image, we demonstrated an attempt to drop a table using this role, but failed as expected because of the limited permission we granted before.
Next, in the sales role itself, when viewed from other roles, he can only select table and cannot edit tables such as alter table, insert table, and delete tables. Here we try to enter into a database other than IDATENS but cannot because we do not have access permission. And below that we want to try to drop the table and error because we don't have a permission. Well, we try to select because we have a permission. Next.
Okay, backup. In this database, we use the method backup is a mirror backup. In a mirror backup, we make a backup as a full backup, but in mirror backup have an advantage. Not like a full backup, the mirror backup can make a copy of a full backup to other location. And we can see in the first picture, the query, for first location, we have to dig C program file in Microsoft SQL is a default location of the type of backup file in SQL server. And below that, we have the query mirror to disk. That is other location to replace a copy of backup. And below again, we can see that is location of my computer network sharing folder, and with format that is a format to use mirror backup and status equal 10 as a process represented like a percent. And the second picture, we can see the result of the backup. We open a tree folder, and this folder we can see the default location backup and network sharing folder backup and the data the backup location. Okay.
Here we demonstrated the restore function by first deleting the ADATENS database using drop query. Then we type another query to restore the database, and on the message below, it is confirmed that the restore was successful.
Replication, transactional replication. In this database, we want to replicate data from the admin to sales database by creating a new database specifically for sales and managers, where the database will immediately provide the latest information from the production schema table when the admin update or changes the data in the database. Therefore, here we will use the transaction application technique, where this technique will distribute the database directly to the subscriber database. Here, we see the first picture, which is to choose what table you want to replicate, and this result in the table name replication database DB, and its content are the tables that you want to replicate. Next.
Okay. For example, a distribution of the replication transactional IDATENS DB, we can see in the first picture, we use the admin account to insert a new data in a production of brands. The input data is relative, and the second picture show you but a result of the input data in first picture. We can see in the message result of the second picture. In number 10, we can see the red arrow. Solve is relative will be the add. Okay, thank you. Thank you for your attention. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.